Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you the process of inking and wiping the Collagraph plate. My name is Marta Nowicka, I am visual artist, printmaker, painter. I'm also intercultural coach and trainer, and this is Artist Across Borders. So here I'm inking the plate with a black ink and a dabber. So I need to cover all plate with ink. Now I'm starting to wipe the plate with Tarlatan. I'm using, because I'm using Aqua inks, I'm using also the Aqua Tarlatan. I will put links into the description. So this is the first wipe, which is taking off most of the ink. And now the final wipe with phone book pages. If you don't have access to phone book pages, you can use a newsprint. And the last step, I'm wiping my plate with a kitchen towel just to work more on the highlights. And now the plate is ready to print. And this is the final print from that plate. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.